viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, amazing craftic ideas, formic craftic and soft cozy craftic ideas. So dear friends, to a world where simplicity and nature meets the warmth of the holiday season, today we will explore rustic X-Mix craft. Humble, earthy, and soulful creations that not only decorate your home but also invite mindfulness into your daily life. Beautiful, soft, cozy crafts remind us that beauty lies in what is natural, raw, and handmade. As we shape forms and forming sheet and twine, we are not just crafting, we are breathing, slowing down, and rediscovering peace. Let's begin. These craftic ideas are very amazing and natural and easy to make and also care. So these craftic ideas are very amazing and unique, beautiful. In this video I am going to show you the amazing, beautiful, fun play quizzes like compatibility of what's your love language. So we are doing our best for our viewers. Best designs, best ideas. Crafting is more than just fun. Craft ornaments allows you to design in your own style. Either rustic, glittery, colorful, or minimal. Every piece becomes a reflection of your personality and imaginations. Mindfulness and stress relief. The process of cutting, stitching, or gluing slows down the mind. Crafting brings focus to the present moment like a gentle meditation. It reduces stress, bringing calm and peace during the often busy holiday season. Making ornaments with children, friends, or family creates shared moment. It's an activity that replaces screens with conversation, laughter, and teamwork. Handmade ornaments are often cheaper than store-bought ones. Fabric scraps, bottle caps, or wood makes it sustainable and kind to the planet. Handmade ornaments can be given as heartfelt gifts. They carry a story and an effort, making them more special than mass-produced items. No two handmade ornaments are exactly alike. They give your tree, walls, and holiday display a unique charm that a store-bought decoration can't match. Crafting ornaments can revive old traditions like felt, hearts, stocking, wreath, trees, or paper stars. It creates a link between generations and keeps cultural heritage alive. In short, mindful, meaningful, and sustainable, they decorate not just your home but also your heart. I hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas. These beautiful, amazing craftic ideas is really beneficial for you. Spark imagination through designs, colors, and texture play. Builds artistic confidence, especially for beginners. Helps discover hidden talent and new crafting skills. Each stitch, cut, or knot invites focus and calms. Lowers anxiety by creating a rhythm of hand movements. Work as art therapy, healing the mind through creative expression, family bonding, and social connection. Strengthen family ties by crafting together, encourages teamwork, patience, storytellings become a tradition that children carry into adulthood. encourages teamwork, patience, and storytelling. Save money during the holiday season. Encourages recycling using fabric scraps, old buttons, jars, or toys. Reduces waste and inspires sustainable living. Handmade ornaments become treasure passed down through generation. Every piece holds memories of the person who made it. Personal, thoughtful, giving that touch the heart. No two pieces are alike, making your tree and walls one of a kind.